Hi children, welcome once again. This is 8.2, exercise 13th question. He given construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeters. Given base, only base given 8 centimeters, and its altitude means perpendicular height is 4 centimeters. Then draw another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times. 1 by 2 times nothing but 3 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3 by 2 times. Okay, 3 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Okay, now this is asked this question for 11th and 12th question. For 11th question, we constructed similar triangles which is 3 by 2 times. Sorry, 5 by 3 times. And to 12th question, 2 by 3 times. But in the 11th question, he did not give the triangle dimensions. But 12th question, he given 3, 4, 6, I think. 3, 4, 6. 4, 5, 6, I think. 4, 5, 6 given the dimensions of the triangle. But this question, he given dimension only 8 centimeter is the base and the altitude is the 4 centimeter. Means what is the difference between this? How to construct a triangle is the different for that two problems. Okay, what is the how to construct? First, you have to construct base, that is 8 centimeters base, and also altitude. Altitude means this is perpendicular height. That is how much? 4 centimeter given. Is asking to construct the triangle which is isosceles triangle. For isosceles triangle, compulsory if these two sides are equal, then these two angles are also equal, so that it is isosceles triangle. When it is becomes if it is the midpoint, means a right angle and midpoint forms in a isosceles triangle. So how to construct that means very simple, Nana. You must draw the perpendicular bisector of that base. Then automatically, easily we can able to construct the triangle. Okay, sir. First, what I am going to do? I am going to construct the 8 centimeters line. This is the base, which is 8 centimeters. Okay. How I am taking base is BC. Okay, Nana? Base I drawn. And better to draw the perpendicular bisector line. Take more than half. Draw the arcs on both sides. Should not change. Again in the place of C. And intersect the other two arcs. And the intersecting point between this intersecting point, draw the line. Okay. Up to here enough for our touch. This is just helping only. Here perpendicular bisecting. This is midpoint also. But is it 4 centimeters? We need 4 centimeters. Take the 4 centimeters from this. Okay, I took 4 centimeters. And at the place example, this is D, we treat it as from D, cut the 4 centimeter line. If it is not intersect, line produce it, then intersect. Okay, now join. This is you treated as the letter A. Okay, join AB and join AC. Okay, we got triangle. Next, as this how we did the 11th and 12th question, like that only do it, sir. First, draw the acute angle, means draw BX. Draw BX, array BX, which is CBX is an acute angle, and make them right. How many intersections means 3 by 2 times, means which is the biggest number? 3 is the biggest number. Mark 3 points on BX, which are equal intervals 1, 2, and 3. These 3 are equal intervals. Okay, clear now? Next means These three are equal intervals, and I am giving the names. This is B1, and this is B2, and this is B3. Now you join C from which letter? Means which is the denominator? What is the denominator here? 2. 2 is the denominator. From 2 you join C. From 2 you join with C. Okay, clear? From B3, draw a line which is parallel to B to C. Take the help of set squares and keep it like this, 90 degrees. Take as a 90 degrees line. Okay, keep like this. Otherwise, take down, no problem. Okay, then take the help of helper. This is only move it up to this 3. Once again, no problem, here. Okay, right, and keep the and draw the line. Okay, Nana? Now these two lines are parallel lines and produce BC. Both are intersecting at the place that is represented as C dash. Again through C dash, draw a line which is parallel to CA. How? Take the set square. Okay, keep here like this. Okay, see here, keep like this. Line okay, and take the help of the set square. Keep like this. Slowly move it. Kochitanga jarapandi. Ekkada variki C dash variki. C dash raga with this part. Okay, and so we okay, and draw the line. And also produce this line here. We are intersecting at A dash. So the required triangle A dash B, C dash is formed. This is the method to do the 13th question, sir. Now steps. Now see the steps, Nana. How we do? First, what I did, draw a line segment BC is equal to 8 centimeters. This BC line I drawn. Next, draw perpendicular bisects. BC line I am going to do the perpendicular bisector line. More than half I will take 2 arcs. This is the perpendicular bisector line which intersect BC at D. Through D, draw an arc which intersects bisector line at A. Through D, draw an arc. Draw an arc whose radius, how much? Whose radius? Sorry, whose radius? How much? 4 centimeters. Whose radius 4 centimeters, which intersects. Which intersect bisector line at A. Which intersect bisector line at A. Next, join AB and AC to get triangle ABC. Next onwards, already we know in the 11th and 12th question model. Draw a ray BX whose angle CBX is an acute angle. Finished. Mark B1, B2, B3 on the X, which are equal intervals. These are equal intervals. Okay, and join B. So, and join B to C. Why B to C? Because the denominator is 2. That's why join B to C. Clear na? Next, through B3, draw a line which is parallel to B to C, which intersects produced line at C dash. Through C dash. Next, through C dash. Here I written through C dash. Right, through C dash. Draw a line which is parallel to CA, which intersects produced BA at A dash. So the required triangle A dash B, C dash is formed. Okay, Nana? Right. See properly and practice.